You're not going to believe this. There's a guy on Instagram and YouTube pulling millions of views every week just by destroying luxury cars in over-the-top, jaw-dropping ways. But plot twist, it's all fake. No real cars, no explosions. These videos are 100% AI generated. And they look so real, your brain can't even tell the difference. Now, what if I told you you can do the exact same thing with zero budget and free tools? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to recreate those viral cinematic destruction clips step by step so you can turn imagination into insane content that gets views. Before we jump in, here's a quick look at some of the clips we'll be creating together. Let's go. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up because we're about to go full throttle into the world of AI-powered viral content creation. Step 1, find a viral idea. Start by scouting for viral gold. Look for content on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok with crazy views. We're talking 100 million plus plays. I found a killer one, a pristine Rolls-Royce just chilling. Then out of nowhere, boom, a massive boulder crushes it. Total chaos. Break that down into 3 moments. Frame 1, just before impact. Frame 2, the actual smash frame. 3, the aftermath, debris everywhere. Screenshot each of those moments, Windows plus Shift plus S, and paste them directly into ChatGPT. Step 2, use ChatGPT as your director. Now tell ChatGPT, analyze these images and generate a highly detailed image prompt based on the first one. Then give me a matching animation prompt. In seconds, it gives you a hyper-detailed image prompt, a cinematic video prompt, motion blur, lighting, debris, camera sweeps, all the Hollywood flair. Step 3, turn text into image. Paste your image prompt into Ideogram or Pickleman. Both are great. I will use Ideogram. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, and choose the style realistic. Click Generate. Now you've got 4 wild, photorealistic results. Choose the one that's bursting with tension and drama, the one that feels like a moment before disaster. Step 4, animate the images. Next, bring that image to life with Google AI Studio, VO2. Click a video again, drop in your image, then paste in the video prompt you got from ChatGPT. Choose 9:16 format or 16:9 depending on your frame. Click Generate, and boom, within seconds, your still frame transforms into an 8-second animated explosion of motion, dust, and destruction. But sometimes you'll run into this error when generating your video. Fail to generate one or more requested videos. Your prompt may have been blocked due to safety reasons. Don't stress. Here's why that happens. Google AI Studio VO2 currently doesn't allow image uploads that include people. So if your image has workers or bystanders in the scene, it'll get blocked. Here's the fix. Just ask ChatGPT, please revise this image prompt and remove all references to humans or people. Regenerate your image with that new prompt, then try again in Google Studio. Problem solved. Smooth sailing from here. Keep ideas flowing. But the big question is, how do you keep the ideas flowing? How do you make sure you're never stuck or out of content? Here's the thing. You don't have to come up with every idea yourself. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Here's the move. Go back to ChatGPT and say, Warren, generate 3 more distinct viral video concepts. Each should include a highly detailed image prompt and a matching video animation prompt, keeping the same cinematic style. Boom. Within seconds, you've got 3 fresh viral ideas sitting in your inbox. Here's how to use them. Pick one that grabs your attention. Paste the image prompt into Ideogram and generate the visuals. Select the best frame from the outputs. Grab the video prompt, head to Google AI Studio, and drop it in. Choose 9:16 format, hit generate. In less than a minute, you've got another viral video. It's that fast. It's that easy. Step 6, add custom sound effects. Want your video to hit even harder? Add custom sound effects. Tell ChatGPT, generate an 8-second sound effects prompt based on this video animation. Copy that prompt and drop it into 11 Labs or another AISFX generator. You'll get 5 tailor-made sound designs for your clip, from the boulder crashing to the screeching metal and falling debris. Pick the best one and sync it up using any free video editor. Now it looks and sounds like a blockbuster scene. No camera, no editing skills, just free tools and a wild imagination. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like, subscribe for more AI content hacks. Let's keep building.